Hey guys, this video is to show you how to install Office UC. So if you go to OnPoint Mortgages, you've got your normal files. Right at the bottom you've got UC application. So if you double click that, you need to click on Windows or Mac. So this is a Windows PC, so click on Windows. Double click on this. Do you want to allow the app to make changes? So yes. Next. I agree. Yep, I'll do for all users. Yeah. Okay, so it's going to chug away and install it. You can see it's already starting to create some icons. The username and password is created in a separate video. This is just how to install it. So you can see the shortcuts being created. So next, start Office UC, finish. You can see Office UC starting to run in the bottom corner, and we are up and running. You'd put in your username and details and you are up and running.